Hello guys, welcome to my channel Mes Guru Oja. In this video, I will discuss about the big announcement that CBSE has made related to assessment for new academic session. As we know that our previous academic session evaluation was based on old education policy, but from the new academic session the academic evaluation will be based on new education policy, and for that the CBSE is going to introduce CBE, system of evaluation. Now what does it mean, CBE? Don't worry, it's a very good concept for all the students. CBE means competency based evaluation. Now what does this term mean? What type of changes the evaluation will bring, or what the benefit the student will get? So for that purpose we should understand about the competency based evaluation. The competency based evaluation will help the student to judge that how much the concept they have acquired. Earlier evaluation, it helped the student to only evaluate basically the knowledge, how much the knowledge they acquired. But by bringing this type of evaluation, it will help both teacher as well as the student to know how much the competency they have acquired or how much the concept they have acquired, and that will help for the future demand. That means they will able to fulfill the future demand. They will able to gain the jobs. They will able to appear themselves in the competitive based examination. So for that purpose only the CBSE has introduced the CBE, that is competency based evaluation, in the new academic session. Now in that competency based evaluation, our questions will be based on multiple choice form. It may be case based evaluation, it may be course based integrated questions. That means both type of questions, objective questions and MCQ type of questions, long questions, short questions will be there as earlier, but now certain questions will be based on competency based, which was not there in the previous year. And that competency based questions will be in the form of MCQ, case based questions or course based integrated questions. It will help to judge how much in real life situation the students will able to apply the concept, how much real life situations or unfamiliar situations the student will able to tackle. So it is a very beneficial for the student, I should say. Now as per the notification, for class 11 and 12 there will be 20% competency based questions, there will be 20% objective questions, and remaining 60% will be short and long type of questions. This is for class 11 and 12. But this policy or this method of evaluation will be introduced from 9 to 12. For 11 and 12, the percentage of the question is 20%, 20% and 60%. It is a very simple way to remember. 20% competitive based questions, competency based questions, 20% objective type questions, and 60% will be short and long questions. Now for class 9 and 10, the percentage will be a little bit different. Here I have written, see, oh my god. Why I have introduced this word, oh my god? Because if we don't know about this way of evaluation and we will prepare ourselves based on the earlier method, then it will hamper us in our examination. So all the students should know about the evaluation system. Now what about the class 9 and 10 distribution of marks? So for class 9 and 10, competency based question will be 30%, objective type question will be 20%. So overall 50% question will be short, very short questions, and 50% question will be short and long questions. So there is a difference between class 9, 10 and 11, 12. As you can see, in 9 and 10, 50% questions will be short, very short type of questions, whereas in class 11 and 12 there will be 40% questions and 60% will be short and long questions. So a slight difference is there in class 9, 10 and 11, 12. Now as this distribution is there, but in future CBSE may introduce certain changes. So and CBSE will going to bring certain sample papers also to help the students. And here you can see the notification which was published by the CBSE to show that this is the confirmed news to all the listeners, that this is the confirmed news that CBSE is going to change the evaluation process. Now, what is my opinion based on this type of changes? So I think this change will help the student to prepare himself or herself for the future use of the country. As we know that earlier examinations were not totally helping a student to know how much the concept they have acquired. It only helps the student to secure the marks based on knowledge and understanding. But now if a student will clearly understand the concept, then only they will able to perform well. And once we acquire the concept, it remains with us for lifetime. So that's why now the main motto is to develop the concept. The student will focus more on concept, not as earlier on knowledge, acquiring knowledge. Only acquiring knowledge is not sufficient. So I think this is a very good method of evaluation the CBSE is going to introduce, and this will help not only a student, but this will help our country also to prepare our student for the future demand, to fulfill the future demand of our country. And that is the main objective of the education, so that with the help of our education we can prepare our student so that they can fulfill the future demand of our country. If a student after completing the courses can fulfill our demand of the country, then our education system is worthless. It is not that much worthy. So I think this will not only help the student, but this will also help our country. So thanks for watching this video. I should say, if you like this, you should share with the other students also, so they can understand about the new assessment, about the new evaluation process, and that will help them to prepare in the new academic session. Without knowing about this evaluation system, they will not be able to prepare themselves. So if you like, kindly share and subscribe my channel and share to the other students, and wait for such new information I will provide with the maths. So again, thanks for watching, and at last, if you like this, kindly press the bell also. Thank you.